2022, and yeah, I have definitely not gone live as much as I was planning on, mainly because there has been so much information and so many products to learn about, and yeah, honestly, it's just like I just don't even feel like I was prepared for this. What y'all doing back there? Y'all just smiling? Yeah, I have the kids here. They have been awesome through this. They're going to be like geniuses in automation in just a few years. It's hard to believe. You know, this guy's 15 now.
What?
And it's funny the difference in age. You know, he was at one of these in 2019. Here we are 3 years later, and he gets all this. Wendell right here, she's right behind him. She's following this stuff. She doesn't want to act like she does. She knows what this stuff is. But there are so many different groups here. I mean, like every robot manufacturer around is here. I mean, you see, there is just demo after demo of information through here. You've got PhD, you've got Yamaha, you've got ABB, Fanuc. Who did I miss, Wendell?
I don't know. I couldn't hear half of what you said.
Oh, man.
PhD?
All right. Okay, but yes. So, what was that, Michael?
Nothing. I was.
So yeah, Kuka. There's Kuka right here. I mean, every robot imaginable. We had Universal Robotics, and I've done some talks with Courtney, and hopefully we'll post those. I do have clips from a lot of these vendors. It's just really difficult to just kick the live button because there's such a span. I may need to go for, I mean, this place is huge, so you may have to go for quite a while before. But yeah, I mean, this place, you're just immersed. There's things happening here. I mean, here we go. Look at these guys that's going on. And yeah, we should make our way to their Corvette. There is Fanuc picking up a Corvette. It may not be the most sophisticated automation thing, but it definitely has the most grunt in it. So, Michael, come on up here.
What?
You got to keep us entertained while we walk over to the Corvette. What do you want to talk about?
Corvette. The Corvette.
All right. So right here is Chris Elston. This is Yamaha and PhD. This is absolutely the best display that there is in the whole place right here. I did do a clip on it. I'll probably do another video on it later. But yeah, there you go. You end up squirreling away, and that's the issue, trying to walk through here and talk about stuff. All right, take over, Michael.
But there's a lot of stuff happening right now, but in front of us there's a Fanuc exhibit that has...
They can only see behind us.
Well, then turn the camera around.
Well, I don't know how to do that. Can I do that? Oh,
yeah,
look at there. And that's right. Why is it right by the camera? Well, yeah, now you can watch us walking over to the Fanuc section.
The Fanuc section has incredible robots able to lift over 1,000 kilos. And it also has some tiny other robots that are able to pick up very fast and, you know, able to maneuver around situations incredibly good. But the whole site of Fanuc's exhibit is in front of us, which is a car lift carrying a Corvette Stingray.
And there you go. Now this is the biggest robot definitely I've ever seen in my life.
And the Corvette Stingray weighs 3,400 pounds, and it says it's moving it like it's nothing.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Yeah, so no doubt this is a beefy robot here. But yeah. Yeah, so that is just one of a ridiculous amount of different vendors are around here. Also, we have autonomous vehicles. I'm sorry, there's somebody speaking in the background right here, but if I can get over this direction, this guy right here, you got the robot forklift, they're running around fully autonomously. They can move skids around. Absolutely. And then for the people who know our group, we have our very own Chris Lukey and Jake Hall. Now they're not in the booth right now, but they have been coming to you live on LinkedIn from right here. Yeah, you got to flip around now. But yeah, so that has been really cool. I know a lot of you have been listening to them, so that has been going on right here. Michael, what else we got going on here?
We're starting to approach the Automate Theater, which is basically where presentations are happening that you can join whenever you want. You're just talking about, certain things, having great conversations between each other. And then now we're approaching the vendors.
Yeah, so right here's the panel he's talking about. I couldn't quite get here fast enough. So there have been talks about our industry going on all week, and they have been really fascinating. So now we're going to actually just walk through this area right here.
And these are, companies are showcasing their products.
Yeah, so these guys, look, they have it open. You see, got some blockage, but yeah, they've got it where we can walk right through here. So we've got a machine bringing bins through here, and it's going to stop for us. I mean, amazing technology going on. I mean, if you'd asked me a few years ago, this shelf is coming right at me right now. I don't know that I want to be right here, but yeah, they got this down. I mean, there is so many fascinating ways that they are using this technology here. Take it over, Michael.
Now we're approaching another area, but this is a little bit more closed, and it's showcasing smaller, but not the smallest types of products. And usually, it's a bunch of moving robots, sometimes showcasing, the actuators that are involved with the robots, different parts.
Now, he says small because these are the core people that make the nuts and bolts that actually make all this stuff work. Yeah, that's great that you have a ginormous robot, but you need all the little pieces. Look, we got Knott and McKay here. You need your parts. You're going to go talk to them. We've got Schneider right over on this side. Oops, had my finger in the way of that one. You couldn't see it. Getting used to this live thing here. But yeah, what else, Michael?
Here's a train where we have motion sensors that detect the train moving.
Yeah. So we'll flip it around here. So
they start blinking whenever it notices it.
Yeah. So yeah, just amazing displays to show automation and show the products that we have.
Then,
all right.
Right over here, it's detecting how much of a person is able to detect.
Where are you at?
That camera over there.
The camera.
This thing.
You got to figure out where he's at here. Yeah. So yeah, talking about right here. So yeah, I mean all types of. I mean now, guys, here's where I really need your help. You have all this new vision technology. And really, I know so little about it, and I've really got to get up to speed on this. I look at it, and that's just an industry that I haven't really needed. I just never have had applications for vision. I mean, so now I see this whole industry that's emerged that does amazing things. And yeah, what do you think about it?
I think I have to say that if you have the chance to be able to sign up or even go to Automate, definitely take it. Even though it's a long drive from Florida, it's amazing. It's 4 days, right? 4 days.
Yeah.
It's one of the biggest I've ever been to. Bigger than Automation Fair of 2019.
Yeah.
There's a lot of newer type of technologies here, especially AI. AI has been a very big topic here.
What all have they talked about AI?
They talk about AI, using different brands and how they're implementing it into technologies such as vision, or even these moving robots right here.
I had to squirrel away for a second. He's just kind of wandering off there, but there is the president of A3. And yeah, a very humble guy, very knowledgeable guy. I haven't really got a lot of chance to talk to him. I mean, he's very busy, obviously, getting this conference on. But I'm hoping I can get up and talk to him before the end of this.
Another thing is, sorry, but with the AI, back to the AI, there's big companies such as Nvidia, Intel, Landing AI, and a whole bunch of other, big brands are helping out with this. The one that I really enjoy is AI. It looks like we have a long thing right here.
Yeah, what's that say?
Well, speaking of vision,
all right. So just touch and swipe up, right?
Yeah.
We're learning the chat part.
We are. I can't read what you're doing. To rig up a camera to PLC controlled photo eye. He can catch who keep messing with this.
Yeah, and that's the thing. There is a sensor to do everything you can think of, and that's what I see around here. It's just an amazing amount of sensor technology. Not just the sensor technology, the software that people are using to really leverage it and make it do amazing things. Where should we go next, Michael? Because I'm really thinking Ready Robotics. I know we made a wrong turn, but Ready Robotics is a really good one.
Yes.
So yeah, sorry, you
one
keep them
thing-
entertained until we get there, because that's the issue, guys. We got to walk a long ways to get to the
Yeah.
next one.
One thing I do want to note out that Automate has been going around for 25 years, and it's the first time in over 20 years that they're back at Detroit. For the first time in over 20 years.
Yeah.
It's an incredibly big show. But what the thing I like most is how much robots have changed in 35 years. Because we saw this video of when it first opened, these robots, they only had one axis moving, and it was incredibly slow. Now we got these robots that have, so many axes, and they move so fast that it's incredible. They're able to, finish a job before a human can. We're limited to what we can do, and these robots are pushing the limits that we can.
Yeah. What did you think about Mark with Boston Dynamics this morning?
It was definitely very interesting. I was hoping that he would bring Spot today.
Yeah,
but he didn't.
I was gonna bum Mark. Why didn't you bring Spot? I really, you need to invite me up to Boston Dynamics and let me check out Spot. Because we got a crowd coming at us. We'll see how we can navigate this. Whoop, they split up for us. Good job.
But one thing he did explain is, they got different projects going on, like, today, which is Spot, tomorrow, which is Stretcher. Those are going into, warehouses such as Amazon warehouses. They're delivering products off the truck into, a rolling thing. I forgot what they're called. But then he also talked about
hold on, we're gonna squirrel off here because here was a really cool thing.
Coffee making.
Dr. Presso here. Yeah, so you can put in your order and it will spit out your coffee. Apparently those are really popular in Korea, is that what you said? Yeah, so that would be really cool. I have not played with it yet, so I'm going to try to get an order. It's been a line there all the time, so I haven't been able to get a video of it yet. But
back to the Boston Dynamics thing, he was talking about his future project, which is they named it Atlas. And it talks about, the humanoid version of robots. And I think that's where it's very interesting because they're able to do, these different types of, parkour stuff. They're able to have amazing, power. And I feel like, that can help us out a lot in the automation industry because some people are old.
why are you patting me on the back, bud?
Their backs can't really do as much, but they're able to carry heavy objects.
Well, mainly if we're young and wise, maybe we can carry objects when we're older.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which I am being wise about that.
So all right, we're coming up on plus One Robotics here. We are just about there. I'm gonna flip the camera around because they have a really cool system that is. It's picking on packages that are really unorganized. That's what's amazing about this one. So
they're using
start at the beginning
in order to figure it out where it is.
So they are scanning it. They're figuring out, mainly based off the barcode and everything that's on them, what they are. Then we have the carts that are kind of wandering. It looks like they're wandering around completely lost. Then I got to jump over a couple of people here. And then we come into here. And they're sorting them out. So this one's a blue one, so it's gonna come over here, dump into that one. This next one's a red one. So it's gonna end up over here, into this one. So really amazing leverage of, do what?
Love your YouTube channel.
All right, well, we're live right now. You wanna say it? Yeah, hey. What's your name?
Brad Holly.
Hey, nice to meet you, Brad. So I've met so many people here this week.
I mean, Malachi Greb. Malachi Greb.
Yeah, actually, Malachi was right over there.
Very well.
There, But we're just doing a tour around, and
Thanks.
great to meet you.
Remember Ready Robotics?
Huh?
Ready Robotics, remember?
Oh, Ready Robotics, help me out.
That we were going there.
Oh, okay, But that's what's been so cool about this is we have been able to meet an amazing group of people. My arm's getting tired, Michael.
Here, I got you.
No, that's all right. I got this side. I just got to walk a little sideways now. That way I can hold me to my other arm. And let's see here. Hey, is Nikki back there right now? Oh, no, she's not. Okay. All right. Take it from here while we walk on, Michael.
So now we're walking towards, to middle top part of it. And these are where, you know, people are really they're showing off, you know, their newer products, but also, you know, showing what their company does in the industry.
Let's turn this way.
Alrighty, this way we're seeing some exhibits of small robots. Like right here, we're seeing Yamaha's exhibit with their 400, 250 series.
Now that's funny that he knows these dimensions. And you know why, guys? Because we were building a trainer, maybe based off of this one, but it may be the 250. So we have a trainer coming on this. But yeah, we have an amazing display. In fact, let's just go ahead and make a detour around this one, Michael. You want to call it out for us, or you want me to?
You can right here.
Okay, so yeah, first we have this linear conveyor, and this stuff is amazing, these things right here. But you see them running across. Actually, they're going to drop on down there. And yeah, I have a whole video from Chris Elston that explains that in a whole lot of detail. And yeah, but it is amazing, the technology. Hey, how's it going? I am live, is that okay? All right, sometimes people are like, nope, don't want to be in on that. But okay. But yes, I mean, that's the whole big thing I've seen in this. It's just the camaraderie. The people that, you know, we've seen on LinkedIn. We've seen in YouTube comments. What, bud?
You're one like close to the camera.
Well, my arm's tired, man. I mean, I don't have like that fancy selfie stick or anything, man.
You got a selfie sticker?
Oh my goodness, no, because yeah. All right, you go ahead. Don't turn us off or anything crazy or do any crazy mean things.
Yeah.
Hey, look, it's Wendell. I can wave to her now. How you doing back there, Wendell? She's hiding. Actually, what I want to do, I want to steer back this way because I did see Malachi kind of creeping up, and you know, I wouldn't mind saying hi to Malachi live on this. We're going to turn this direction.
Alrighty.
Try not to run into anybody. And where was he?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Well, call out. What we got? Oh, wait. We got a message from Mary Bruce here. Nachi has a golf cart. What? Mary Bruce? Mary Bruce is somewhere around here. Wendell, will you text Mary Bruce and say that we're live near the Corvette? All right. Where were we? All right. What's around here, Michael?
Fanuc again.
Yeah?
But
I know. We've talked about the Corvette. But they got cool stuff on this side, too. What else is going on over here, Michael?
a tiny robots compared to their other robots, but they're picking up different devices using suctions, like suction. Like right here, they're picking up bottles of drinks using hydraulic systems and, you know, pulling it up and somehow not breaking it. I don't know how you do that. Not even I can do that. So yeah, definitely. This is a very popular station right here, probably the most visited.
Yeah. I don't know. I would go Yamaha. I think theirs is probably the most popular. Yeah. But yeah, all right, here's where he was hiding. I was like, yeah, Malachi is somewhere around here. Malachi, hop up there, man. Yeah, because I mean, he's a fellow YouTuber, so I know he's not scared of going live.
How's it going?
I mean, here's where you run into everybody around here. We got Malachi here. We got Jenna. Help me out here. Yeah, and so yeah, we have met people. I mean, we've known these guys forever online, but all of a sudden, hey man, no, you're actually real.
Right.
Hey, go ahead and shout out your YouTube channel while you're at it.
What is it? Lead Automation. We're live. LeadAutomationUSA.com.
That's all.
That's
on there.
Lead Automation USA. Yeah.
All right, now we know who actually runs the company here. Jenna is actually the one that's got this stuff.
I just turn on the record button and then just do the controls part.
All right, Michael, help me out with these chat. Oh yeah.
So,
What's this now?
no, we already saw that.
Oh yeah, we got golf carts. Time to hijack a golf cart. Good to see you. Hey, Mary Bruce.
Hey, how's it going? Here with Mark.
Hey, how are you?
Hey,
how are you guys
how's it going?
doing? Good to see you again, Jeff.
Mark has a booth here. What you got?
We're working on showing off machine tool load, unload applications, and press brake automation applications.
Yeah, fascinating.
We're having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And we're meeting some great people.
We are.
Oh,
I
yeah.
got to meet you and your team, and that was awesome. So thanks.
Yes. So yeah, we'll probably try to work our way over there. Depends on how strong all of our arms are. It's like,
Yeah,
oh
there
gosh,
you go.
time to swap it off again here. There we go.
All right. One of those things.
I know, we do need to. All right, Michael,
Good
where we
seeing
going
you
next?
guys.
Good to
Take it
see
easy.
you.
Let's go forward.
Forward.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Looks like Windows departed
That's
from
okay. They'll catch up.
us. Yep.
Let's go ahead and take a right. We'll go in this way, maybe?
Alrighty. Hi, YouTube.
Alright, yeah, we're in a kind of a dead spot. There's not a lot to talk about right
Yeah.
here. Man, you were bouncing terrible. I just want to tell you that.
Well, I'm walking right now.
Yeah, well, okay. Walk, be steady. Yeah, so yeah, you were talking about Ready Robotics. They're over there. We'll come back over to them. Let's see who's over there. Will you go ahead? Yeah, I don't see anybody to really talk to right now over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Here's Kate. Point out Kawasaki. Can you get over to Kawasaki here? I mean, every manufacturer you can think of is here. Kawasaki, and right beside of them, whoa, somebody's sneaking in. But right beside of them, you got AB. Come on, bud, you got to point it out. ABB. Yeah, now we're in a black spot.
There we go. AAB.
All right, now going over here, we got Kuka. And the Kuka's this way, man.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, wait a minute. Hold on. Your phone is different from mine.
All right, yeah. Then right beyond that, you got Epson. I mean, you got everyone imaginable here. Okay, we're working our way down, guys. We're trying to get into some action, but yeah, there's a little bit of a walk in between this. All right.
But there's definitely a lot more, definitely a lot more high companies where they're not having to do that.
Yeah. Michael is learning that, yeah, and it's quite a job to manage the hold of it. Yeah, I mean, all types of pick and place systems here. Oh, let's see, we're almost over to some fun stuff again. Where'd you go, man?
Right here.
Well, fill us in. Talk to us.
I mean, really, this part, I haven't been through that much. I've been on the right side mostly. But, there's a lot of companies over here. Actually, are we near? No, we're not. But SVT Robotics, they actually asked me to come over to their booth a little bit to show, what they do.
Yeah, all right. So here's a tip I'll give you for all you booth guys out there, is don't come up asking us if we have a question or, are you enjoying the show? I mean, here we got a 15-year-old guy. They trolled LinkedIn enough to be like, hey, let's throw a comment on his post and see if we'll come to his booth. Come to the booth, and you better believe he came to the booth there. So put a little bit more into your sales pitch of that.
Yeah. And they were very good at, describing what was happening, and it was very understandable for a 15-year-old like me. Of course, I know what some of these terms mean, but I don't know much about different types of language and stuff.
Mary Bruce, what did you find?
Dark, which I don't like. I like what else talk about.
But see, also everybody, this is how you get to purchasers' checkbooks. It's through their stomach. You did not know
Tiny
it.
chocolates. That's
Yeah,
how it goes.
tiny chocolates. Check it out right here. There you go. Talk to this guy right here. He will tell you.
We got a something.
Oh, we got a question.
No, I'm a big fan from Uruguay.
Uruguay.
Yeah, Uruguay.
Thank you for being here. You have a great first name. Timothy is an awesome name.
Yes, it's the best name.
Yeah.
Well, actually, no, it's the second best name. Michael's the best.
Let's see. I started watching this channel
while I was in school. Since then, I've graduated and I'm working as an industrial electrician. I just wanted to say thank you for all the excitement, content, and everything. That's great to hear.
That is. That's absolutely awesome to hear. And that's really our goal, is to just help you become a better technician, help you get through school. Because a lot of times all we need is that little bit of nudge just to get us over that next hump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really greatly appreciated. Because this YouTube channel has been around since I've been born, so.
Yeah, we're getting old and rusty just like Michael now.
Yep.
All right, where are we at now, Michael?
Well, now we're approaching Universal Robots on our left.
Yeah.
You're gonna flip it over camera?
Oh no, I'm not gonna flip it over. Do you see Courtney? What if Courtney's there?
She might be teaching a course right now.
Yeah, Courtney's been teaching most of the time.
Yeah.
Courtney is just an awesome person with Universal Robotics.
And hopefully we can get a a nice interview with her later.
Yeah. Actually, I already grabbed a couple, and yeah, but Universal Robotics, they have a huge presence here.
I don't wait for this thing to end because it's
Yes, we gotta wait for the announcement to end.
Did you see Nachi has a golf cart that identifies specific humans and follows them around?
No, I did not see that.
Can I read it?
I did not. We'll need to see that. That's what Mary Bruce and I are figuring out. We've been here for 3 days now, and all of a sudden it's like, I swear there's a whole owl that I have not seen.
It's materialized things overnight. We don't know how they do it.
I swear.
It's here all the time.
Yeah, and then we're talking enormous things. It's not like they threw it in here, but I swear you got some replicators or some transfer things. Also, practical stuff here. Fixture works. They make lots of cool gripper things, and lots of cool application things, and we use those in our products. I don't know who the guy's waving at.
People are recognizing us already.
Okay, well, yeah.
Your fingers in the way.
I know, my finger's in the way of the camera. I get that.
Yeah.
Let's see, where are we going next, man?
We're approaching Emerson.
Emerson?
Yeah, I don't really know what they do.
You don't know what
We're also
Emerson
approaching
does.
Nvidia. I love Nvidia. For anybody who knows, Nvidia is my favorite company so far.
Oh, yeah, so Michael is in love with Nvidia, mainly for their graphics processors. And, oh my goodness, are Nikki and them still over there, Mary Bruce? All right, well, should we walk up and see them? Yeah, so yeah, this is one of the cool places because they serve beer. And yes, I am live. Is that okay? Since you said what's up?
Of course.
Yeah. So
How you doing, guys?
Everybody is a little more loose over here. Got a beer. Vicky's like, yeah. He's gonna ignore. She's like, yeah, they're live. But yeah, here's the other half of the blue bean here.
Oh, hey! Finally! I've been on my way
So yes, that is definitely the area for everybody is socializing. All right, Michael, where are we going now? This way or that way?
That way. Let's go that way.
Going this way?
So now we're, approaching an area where they're really just showcasing off, products that you might buy for, a company that you're first starting out.
Well, and again, autonomous carts here. I mean, just amazing technology. This is cool technologies here.
And it's better than our carts.
Yeah, well, yeah, because they obviously are able to run on their own.
And here's a close-up of a robot being able to, I explained earlier, having multiple accesses.
And here's where, you got to do something eye-catchy. Here goes Mary Bruce. Mary Bruce taking a selfie of herself, everybody. But yeah, here we got a front clip of a 65 Mustang just to grab your attention. Well, it's either that or 66, can't tell really from the front, but, and hey, we got Legos. Who does not love some Legos?
I love it.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, there's just
a lot more hydraulic robots over here. Or, just robots that are engineered very well. Or they're silent, or they can be loud. It depends. I know that near the back wall, there's one that's extremely loud, but it's a hydraulic
this direction?
system. Yeah.
Okay, we'll go on this back one. We got advanced motion control. They do a lot of cool Allen Bradley stuff.
Very
I know,
cool.
yeah, I know
they even got guards on it.
Yeah, I know they have interfaces like that. I really don't know for sure what all they're showing there. But yeah.
It's very quiet back here, though.
It is, man. Unusually
Don't even
quiet.
have to yell.
Man, it is this quiet time over here. I think it must be close to nap time or something.
Yeah.
All right, who we got here? We got our friends at Copio. You think they want to be live?
I don't know, maybe.
I don't know. Want to run up and ask them really quick?
No.
No?
I'm
No?
people something.
People something? Do y'all want to be live?
Yeah.
All right, well, look, we got our friends at Copio. I've watched these guys for a long time, and they got a really cool product. We're just kind of going around showing people what's out there. So, yeah, you should check them out, copio.io. They got some really cool stuff. And we got a couple clips on that later.
Yep. It'll be posted soon.
Yeah? As soon as Michael gets all his editing done?
Yes, which I should get done in maybe 1 or 2 days.
1 or 2 days. Why can't you get it done tonight?
And we have a lot of clips to go through.
Yeah.
But one thing to mention while we're going through here is he mentioned LinkedIn earlier about me being invited to a booth using LinkedIn. Make sure that you're connected with it, especially if you're trying to find a job. Even LinkedIn is a great place to do that. You connect with a lot of people. You know, I've met people on LinkedIn before, and finally meeting them in real life here at Automate. It's pretty incredible. And right here, SVT Robotics. They're people who, you know,
They're
reached
really
out
smart.
to me.
I mean, you know, they did. They probably trolled LinkedIn and found that, and they're like, yeah, come by our booth. And
Yeah,
he
visit
came
my
out.
post on new things.
Yeah. So,
Can't remember which post it is. I posted a lot today, way more than I usually do.
yeah. So yeah, I give them mad props for at least, you know, being really cool about trying to find out who is here and who needs to come to their booth.
Yeah.
All right, Michael. I think we've almost made a circle here. We have not seen nearly everything, but yeah.
No, not at all.
My arm is about to break off.
We got a Mitsubishi electric booth up here,
Yeah,
which is,
let's
you know,
look around
showing
to
off
that.
the robots.
Yeah.
We use these robots on, you know, cars and stuff.
Yeah.
Because Mitsubishi is a car company.
Yeah, they probably are using a lot of their own products on it, but yeah. I mean, just fascinating technology there.
Man, where's Ready Robotics? Oh, it's all the way over there.
Yeah, Ready Robotics, yeah.
We got to make our way back over there.
Okay.
So put the camera. Yo, what's up? How you doing?
Hey, John, how's it going out there? Anything you want to see here? Because, yeah, we're actually, we're back in. There's one dead area in the middle of this thing where it's like, all right, there's nowhere really to point.
I was
camera.
surprised. There's one booth, just one booth that's empty. It's just one booth.
Yeah, this place is absolutely packed. I mean, it has been amazing.
Oh, look at this robot right here. Another one by Kuka.
Yep.
It's amazing. It's very big.
Yeah.
But you can see, you know, like where it's doing all the hydraulics and where it's interesting process right there.
Yeah.
And are they actually cutting it? Or?
No, they already have a cut. It's just to give them a representation of what it would be like.
And it's
So,
very
yeah.
cool. Here's another person. You know, Fanuc has one of these, but these move extremely fast and use, you know, food producting, and they're able to do precise movements and everything.
Yeah, you know, well, a lot of it's about robots. I mean, a lot of it, I mean, look at these linear slides, man. I mean, they're doing stuff.
You know, if people will look at my LinkedIn, I actually did ask about one of these robots, you know, what they were. No responses yet, but maybe, you know, you check me out, Michael Wilborne on LinkedIn.
Oh, man, look at him doing the shout out there.
Yeah, well, I am the future generation.
You are, huh?
Yes, I gotta find a job once you retire.
Once I retire?
Yeah.
You gotta find a job long before I retire. Yeah, he'd tell you about that. Let's see.
Well, we keep on going the wrong way.
What do you mean we're going the wrong way?
Here, let's showcase off the what is it called?
Oh, the candy machine?
Yeah, the candy machine.
Well, he's got a person there. I don't know what we can do about. Yeah, I don't know what we can do about. Do you guys know this guy? He's the original Mr. PLC guy. Can you believe that? That's Chris Elston. Shocker rules.
We know him personally too.
Yeah. He won't wave at us, but you know, he's busy. He's trying to be really serious.
He's too professional.
Very professional.
Yeah. Anyways, let's move on.
Yeah, he's busy right now, so we will not mess with him.
Another company out here landing AI. You know,
What now?
They're one of those big companies landing AI. You know, they were actually showcased in today's keynote speakers.
This guy right here?
No, over there.
Over there, landing AI.
Right over there.
Okay. Well, you want to walk over and explain what they are?
No.
No?
I didn't really listen to the full presentation. I had stuff to do.
What do you mean didn't listen? What was wrong with the full presentation?
I'm just, you know, I'm not really into the AI yet. I'm still learning about the technology, you know, that incorporates all this automation stuff. I'm only 15 years in already.
Oh, so you still got a couple more things to learn?
Yeah, I got like 15 more years until, you know, I'm ready to explain it to other people. Except I like explaining this to, you know, other people as well. Stuff that I actually know.
Yeah? What do you know?
What I do know.
You know what you know?
Well, see, I don't know 100% of one thing. I know some odd percent of something.
I mean, just cool automated guided vehicles here. I mean, man, guys, it is just full of fascinating stuff. And yeah, we got big robots. We got small robots too. Let's see what we got. Looks like an AHR exposure in my world.
Camera.
So this is Automate. Oh, no, I was just trying to read it, man.
Oh, yeah.
There you
Automate 2022
Automate.
in Detroit, back in for the first time in over 20 years.
Yeah. Man, you ought to be a rep for them.
I've listened to it like 4 times already. And so there's this presentation that happens before the keynote speakers in the morning. Well, any keynote speaker, you know, it talks about automating stuff, how it got started 35 years ago, how it left Detroit like over 20 years ago because of something, and then now it's back.
It is. It's back, and I mean, it is definitely, I mean, the largest concentration of automation equipment I think, or companies I have ever seen. So yeah, at least in the United States, I believe it probably is.
Yeah. Let's see here. Great time I would do in a few.
Yeah, well, we probably won't be on too much longer because all our arms are about broken. We probably should have had one of those. Should have had one of those selfie sticks or something.
Yeah.
All right, which way you want to go? Left or right?
Got the Osmo.
Want to go left?
Let's go straight.
Straight.
So like over here, we got a Tesla over there. That's incredible.
All right.
I love Teslas.
I'm trying to flip it, man. Doing my best. There we
I love
go.
Teslas.
Uh-huh.
That's all I want to say.
Well, here, come on. You got to say more than that.
Yeah, I like Teslas.
Yeah?
Only because they're cool and they're fast and they're electric.
Yeah, so this is Zess.
I like the door
Seeing Beyond. You like what?
I like their door handles.
You like the door
it's not
handles?
That complicated. You press in and then you open the door.
Yeah.
And it's so easy.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you know, these are robots working on this thing.
Yeah.
And it's incredible. Like, this is almost a $40,000 car, and letting machines just, you know, go around it, look at it,
Yeah.
scan it.
Well, and that's the part about vision, and I need to learn more about vision, but it has come so far. I mean, great, you got pixels and all those things, but the software that they have come up with to do just fascinating things. All right, which way you want to go next, Beth?
Let's see here. Trying to find Ready Robotics again. You keep on steering us away from it. The reason I want to go to Ready Robotics is because they use a really cool engine called Nvidia Omniverse.
Okay.
In order to, you know, showcase robots without actually spending the money to show it.
Okay.
It's
And we
pretty
can go
incredible.
about Mary Bruce's golf cart thing that somehow we missed.
Yes. But Nvidia Omniverse is really a cool thing, and you know, Nvidia partners with Ready Robotics in order to showcase, you know, their software and use it.
Our final theater presentation.
Nobody wants to.
Hey, be nice. Sometimes I have to excuse my son sometimes.
Just about to get underway.
I was in the middle of a conversation.
Hey, where's the golf cart? Go down.
That's the golf cart.
Yeah, it'll follow you.
It'll follow
It'll
you.
like take some pictures of your legs and it'll specifically identify you and follow you wherever you go.
What?
I know. And he's giving me the key. I know how to push the button, but like he's talking to somebody and it feels a little bit like deaf, so I'm not going to do it. But
What do you think, guys? Should we steal the cart? I think Mary Bruce ought to steal it.
do what?
I
I
like
think you ought to
robots.
steal it.
Robots are pretty cool.
Hold on. What?
And it's just going to scare it away. It's pretty cool. Probably using vision to do it.
What? Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is some amazing technology coming out of Nazi right here. Mary Bruce, you are an official robot cart. Yeah, you are. You got this. You should. Somebody should hire you. You know that. All right. All right, we're heading to Ready Robotics because Michael wants to talk a little bit about it. We got some traffic to navigate here.
You know, we can also ask him to talk about it too.
Yeah. Well, and I don't see anybody that really jumps out at me, so why don't you do the talking about this, okay?
Make sure you flip your camera.
Well, no, I'm going to flip my camera and try to fall over the carpet. Yeah, tell me about it, Michael. Hold on, I had a phone call. I had to dismiss a phone call. Go for it, Michael.
So right here, what I learned one day is that they have this robot right here connected to Nvidia Omniverse, and what it's doing is it's showing what the robot's doing in real time using software. And technically, you wouldn't actually have to buy the robot in order to use it. You could program the robot to do certain things. And you know, you could get Nvidia Omniverse for free, which is pretty incredible. You just got to buy the hardware in order to work on it. But it's very cool. It does it in real time, but you can also simulate it inside of there.
Yeah, so I mean here, you know, obviously this is not a real looking environment. This is just for the training purposes. But yeah, so they got it so you can see the robot, what it would be actually doing up here. And there's a second one over here. Now the cool part about Radio Robotics and what they're pushing is we have a Fanuc robot right here, and we got a Kawasaki robot over here. Now supposedly they're running on the same software using some amazing things that I'm not sure I understand because I'm still learning about robotics.
And they're an Nvidia partner.
Yes. All right. Where do you want to go now, man? All right. We keep going this way. You want to go this way?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
So I don't really know what to talk about right now.
All right. Well, I mean, Denso Robotics. It's another one. I mean, every manufacturer I can think of is here. Now, I've seen this shiny robot before. I believe this one right here I have seen at some other shows. It's the only one. Okay.
Amber needs this right here.
Okay, let me flip this around then. So
She would love it.
she would. All right, so this robot comes over. It's going to pick up the red ball here, go over. It's going to drop in here, and we're going to follow this thing. I'm going to do my best, guys. Oh, it's bouncing around. Drops in. And there you go. It's ready to pick it up again. So, you know, a lot of it is just, you know, what way can we get, and then here's what Mary Bruce and I was talking. Mary Bruce is looking the other way now since she's not catching me, but how do you get the A and the stem? And that is the A piece that we've got to work on more, is how do we make things catchy so that we can learn things. I'm not sure what's going on back here, but they are just like waving and doing all types of craziness.
Yeah.
But, what?
I like this conference. I'm probably going to go back next year for
Do you
more
think so?
too.
Okay.
If it's in Detroit, I definitely want to come back.
All right. It will be in Detroit. I forget the dates next year. Oh man, they got beer. There's another beer place here.
Oh my goodness.
All right. So what else we got, man? We got 3M here.
Yeah.
Showing off some technology. I think we'll turn. Let's take a left here.
Alrighty. Let's take a left here.
Okay. Don't get too far ahead of me, man.
Sorry. So
Try not to make it where, you know, everybody's doing this on, you know, YouTube.
See, it's like 4 o'clock or something.
Yeah, I mean, you got some really cool. Here's Sue Robotics here. You've seen these type before.
See, what
These are really amazing.
right? Like what I've noticed and what Tim's noticed, or my dad, I call him Dad, is that they're using vision systems in order to find where the balls are. Because these could fall at any, as you can see, you know, they're bouncing, they're moving every single ball, and they're able to use the vision system in order to figure it out. There's probably actually a camera somewhere. Yeah, there's a camera right over there.
Everybody say bye to Mary Bruce and Wendell. They're walking off.
Where? Oh,
we're boring.
So yeah. And then here's the actual thing.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Very cool.
Yes.
All right, let's try to work our way this way and just give a little bit more peek of the conference here. Got some people yawning back there. Let's see, they're not that interested.
What about you guys in the chat? Are you guys going to come next year on May 2023? Or is it 2024?
It would be 2023.
I don't even know the years anymore.
You don't?
I just know my birth.
You do?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I think we're to
We've already been to Plus One Robotics.
Yeah.
Here we eat.
Yeah. Well, they don't need to see us eat. Let's turn up this way.
Alrighty.
Let's see. Got Ina. Got Amsec.
Okay, so we don't use these one. Let's go. Here are some linear actuators. We don't actually use these linear.
Well, we could.
I mean,
we don't have any
but
major projects.
Big project. We're not. We've already chosen something else, but I think it's very cool actuators.
Yeah, very cool. So you got some longer ones there.
Here we're using magnets, which is Extremely cool.
Mm-hmm.
Has it chat updated any?
Nope, we're looking good, man.
Alrighty.
All right, let's see. We're on the other side of the palletizer.
Oh, right here's a fun one to show.
Yeah, okay. So here's a miniature palletizer and depalletizer. So you see it's loading pallets on this side. And it's unloading pallets on this side.
It's basically like all the work is done. It's just redoing it.
Yeah.
But that's also an amazing thing about robots and, you know, how they work is they can continuously do a project until eventually they break, which could be in years. You know, they can run them non-stop until the power goes out. And, you know, until you hit your electricity bill, which I've hit a few times.
All right, so now that it's done, look, it's just going to swap these two and it's going to do the exact same thing again.
And it's amazing how, you know, it's able to determine where these are. You know, it knows that that pallet over there is what it needs to be placing on, and knows that that pallet's what it needs to be taking things off of.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty incredible.
It is. You do. All right. Who's
They're
it from?
showing at Nvidia.
Nvidia has some of the best seats in the house.
Oh, that's Nvidia. Just, you know, does it for me. And Intel and AMD, favorite companies in the whole world. I mean, I grew up in TDI controls, but you know, they're kind of better.
Oh yeah.
It's okay. You're my fourth favorite company.
I'm only the fourth favorite now.
Actually, no,
oh
fifth.
my goodness.
Because then you got Amazon.
Okay, now which one of these pays you? Just want to ask that.
My dad.
Hey, don't forget that part. Go back to Kawasaki and talk to the guy from Real Time Robotics Welding Cell. They make robots so they can't collab with each other. Okay, we may have to make another lap to get back to Kawasaki, but yeah, that's good to know. I see. Michael, what all was over this way? A lot of really neat small
we gotta
trainers.
show them the flight simulator thing.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, we can do that. And let's at least give a little bit of look at some of these on the way. I mean, really, talking about not spilling your wine, you know.
Yeah, I'll never do that, even if I'm careful about it.
I mean, just amazing technology showcased all throughout here.
It really is. You know what I also like is now they're incorporating lights into it.
Yeah, I mean,
you got color and lights.
Yeah, and we got some really precision pins going in right here. And yeah, I don't know what this is really doing, but it looks cool. I think it is mainly doing a dance, and there's nothing wrong with doing a dance, so yeah. All right. Where to now, Michael?
Let's make our way over that way, and then we'll hang it right towards the flight simulator.
Okay.
Also, the flight simulator is by Winston Corporations. I made a LinkedIn post on it, actually. Very cool. Oh, I forgot to tell you. PhD liked my post.
They did?
Yeah.
Thank
See,
you,
that's the
PhD.
wonders about LinkedIn is, you know, you got big companies such as PhD, you know, noticing that you're tagging them or, you know, you're showcasing one of their products.
Well, and you know, you are building your online resume, and that's important as you get later on. We're going this way, is that right?
Yeah, this way.
Okay.
So yeah, they're called Winston. Very cool company. We actually learned that, you know, they create the flight simulators.
Wittgenstein.
Oh, Wittgenstein. Yeah.
Wittgenstein.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Can't pronounce. But they create, you know, flight simulators for trained military helicopter pilots.
All right, now there is a line here, so I'm not going to dig in real deep, but I'm just going to give you a quick view. So this guy is actually really good at instructing people on this. Michael managed to really do almost the old man. She just crashed.
Okay, well, it took me a second try, but my second try I was able to land it.
He was not able to land it. He hit 6 trees on the way down. That is not.
The trees were real, and it didn't have brakes.
The trees were real.
It didn't have brakes.
You clobbered that landing, man.
No, I didn't. Race one, and I started rolling to a stop.
I have the video. You clobbered that landing.
Well, I also have a video of you trying to land on the highway, and you know, you kind of fell off.
I was trying to
check out LinkedIn.
I was trying to land on a bridge, and yes, you're right. I straddled the handrail of the bridge, and yeah, I crashed too. But I mean,
March's embarrassment on LinkedIn.
It's really fascinating, the technology that is used, you know, to make that. That's what really fascinates me. Okay, Michael, what was big over here? Do you remember?
Well, shoot. I can't remember what is big over here.
Okay.
Definitely decided we kind of took our time over here this morning, and this morning I wasn't really into it. I was like, come on, can we walk faster?
Wasn't quite awake yet.
Yeah.
Huh?
Well, I was ready to record, and now that we recorded, I'll actually pay attention.
Oh, well, I mean, this why we made that long trek this morning was so that we can figure out, what we wanted to go look at here.
Yeah. Also, if you have any questions, put them in chat. We can answer them.
They're having another presentation right now. Great presentations all day long. And that's been a really nice part about this.
Cameron, we already went over the robot thing.
Uh-huh.
I don't think there was really anything else that caught my attention.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, probably for you it'd be, the beer sessions.
So Chris Lukey Manufacturing Happy Hour had an awesome get together yesterday.
I did go.
You gotta admit you had fun too.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, I met people that I've never met before. We talked a lot. I had questions that I've been asking my dad for a while. He couldn't really give me a good answer. Finally got that great answer from actual professionals.
Hey, look, guys, we are not going to interrupt him because he looks really busy right now. But there is Jay Call, the manufacturer millennial.
Go follow him on LinkedIn. He's pretty cool.
Yeah, he is.
Cool
If you don't know
videos.
him, definitely want to check him out. Oops, we're getting away with the real cameraman, so we'll screw our way out of here.
Supposed war of who has more of a following.
Oh, no, there is not. I don't know. That turned into an argument with some people last night. I'm like, what? But
Yeah.
All right.
Definitely seeing a lot of people.
Oh, my goodness. Man, all right, so here's another one. These guys know the way to your heart. They are getting ready to open up meal selection. We're going to have another party tonight, it looks like here. But, yeah. All right, what next, Michael?
Food.
Food. Oh, he saw food and he's done.
No, I'm actually kind of full. I ate they got great food here, not gonna lie. I've been eating turkey sandwiches, lots of varieties of drinks. That's what I like, especially about Automate, because in Automation Fair, you went to lunch at a specific time. Wait, what? There's the golf cart again.
Yeah? Who's it following around now?
The guy. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. So they just got this golf cart just following them around?
Here's a nice poster right here.
Oh, okay.
Where it's showing off, all the sponsors.
Oh, yeah, he's so in love with these guys right here. That's what he wants you to see there.
Yeah. They've been a sponsor for multiple years now.
Have they?
Yeah.
All right, where to next?
A seat.
A seat?
Yeah.
If we're going to do that.
My feet are killing me.
Your feet are killing you?
Yeah.
We've only been walking for 3 days straight. How can your feet be killing you?
I don't know. I don't walk that much.
All right, so we'll give a few more minutes on this. Because, let's see. I do want to kind of see if we can get Chris Elston, PhD.
Yeah, that'd be
Get
nice.
a demo of this machine live, guys, because you need to see this thing. I do have a clip of it, but it is just cool enough that
It's better to see it live than later.
And all right, there's some awesome exhibits here. If I had to vote, though, this is the best exhibit in the house. Absolutely. PhD, their candy retrieving exhibit. Whoops, got to steer around some people. Let's see where we're at here. All right. Now I got to figure out if he wants to be live before I do. All right, Chris, do you want to be live?
Sure, I can be live.
Oh, look. Well, he says okay, man. He says sure, and the camera's turned to him. Because this is the best exhibit in the entire facility right here.
Nice.
Chris, how's this thing work right here?
Oh my gosh, okay. Well, I don't know, we haven't named it yet, but so far everyone has said they want to call it the candy machine. So basically how it works is you can walk up to the HMI and select what kind of candy you want. So is there anybody in the live stream that would like to pick what kind of candy they want? Let's see, anybody want to throw?
I don't know that they would do, but I would love a Reese's. Let's go with
Reese's?
Reese's.
Okay, so we're going to select Reese's, and we're gonna retrieve, we're gonna assign that to pallet ID number 18.
Yeah. So we're gonna follow this pallet around now, and it's gonna get to right here. And now, yes, What's that? What millimeter robot is that, Michael? Is that a 400?
Yeah.
Yeah, that 400 millimeter is going to come around. Take it away from here, Chris. What are we doing here?
So then now what happens is we're demonstrating that we're going down a test lane, like basically testing the part or whatever, something like that. And then the pallet comes back out and then is retrieved back to the operator area. So the operator area is basically guarded here with a light curtain, and you can retrieve your rhesus here. And while you have your hands in the light curtain, this pallet here is kind of in a safe mode or safe torque mode. And when you get your hand down there, it restores its position on that. So here we have our rhesus.
And that is just one of the many great things that I've seen Chris make. This guy right here may be the smartest PLC programmer in our industry.
I don't know. Are we in the top 5% of PLC programmers? We might be. I don't know.
But yes, Chris is a great friend. Been around since, I don't know, early 2000s. We might even take over 1999. We'll sketch you there. Yes, that is cool, isn't it, Anthony? Oh, good. James wanted the rhesus.
Oh, James wanted the rhesus.
Yeah.
Okay, we picked the right one, James.
But all right, we are ticking right at an hour, and honestly, my phone is almost dead. So it is time to end the live stream. But this has been great. We're going to be posting highlights for the next probably week or two. Depends on how long it takes Michael to get all these videos edited. Talk to you later. Thanks, Chris.
All right, thanks.